Hello students. So here this is part 3rd. Here I am covering first chapter of your book, that is Monday Morning Blues. So students, as in previous video already have told you that here Tom, as he don't want to go to school, so that's why he is making excuses. And what excuse he is making here? That his toe is paining, and for that he was groaning. Groaning means he was making such kind of sounds that he's really, his toe is paining, he is suffering from pain. इस तरह से वो आवाज़ें निकाल रहा था. And what the next Tom is saying to Sid, let's see here, I forgive you everything. He is saying to Sid the roommate of Tom का जो roommate था उससे वो कह रहा है I will forgive you everything, I forgive you everything, I will not say you anything, but just one thing you have to do for me. And he said this with a fresh bout of groans, means he groaned loudly, उसने और तेजी से आवाज़ निकाली. And what he said to him, when I am gone, means when I will die, give my window sash and my cat with one eye to that new girl who comes to the town and tell her. It means यहाँ पे टॉम इससे सिड से इस तरह से बातें कर रहा है that Sid is feeling, he is getting afraid that what Tom is saying, that when I am gone, when I will die, he was getting so afraid. So what Sid did here, Sid had flown downstairs. He went downstairs and informed Aunt Polly. Come quick, auntie, Tom is dying. Come quick, jaldi se आइए. Okay, when Tom Polly heard this, उन्होंने तब ये सुना. What she said, what rubbish, I don't believe it. It means what you are talking, I can't believe. How is it possible that Tom is dying? But the poor lady hurried upstairs with Sid and Mary at her heels, means very fastly. He hurried upstairs, वो जल्दी से ऊपर आती है किसके साथ? With Sid and Mary. Her face grew white and her lips trembled. Means she was so afraid that her face grew white and her lips trembled. Face grew white means we can say उनका चेहरा बिल्कुल वाइट हो गया था, उनका फेस बिल्कुल वाइट हो गया था, इस तरह से कि जैसे कि उनकी ब्लड की सर्कुलेशन, उनका बॉडी का ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बिल्कुल रुक गया हो, इन दैट वे. एंड हर लिप्स ट्रेम्बल्ड, इट मीन्स शी वॉज शेकिंग, उनके लिप्स काँप रहे थे. What is the matter with you, Tom? She cried. She was so afraid, and what she asked to Tom, that what is the matter, Tom, what happened to you? What Tom replied here, let's see. Oh, auntie, my toe. What is the matter with your toe? Auntie is asking here, क्या हुआ तुम्हारे toe को? What is the matter? Oh, auntie, my sore toe is going to fall off. ओ आंटी, उसने यहाँ पे क्या बोला कि इस तरह से लग रहा है कि जैसे बिल्कुल अभी गिरने वाला है मेरा टो, इतना ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है. And the old lady sank down in a chair with relief. Here old lady means auntie. आंटी आराम से यहाँ पर रिलीफ से, शांति से चेयर पर बैठ जाती हैं. She laughed a little, then cried a little. मीन्स उनको यहाँ पर हंसी भी आ रही थी, उनको यहाँ पर रोना भी आ रहा था. Then did both together. She laughed, she cried. Again and again she laughed and she cried. She can't understand what should I say to this little boy that he is making excuses. मतलब यहाँ पर आंट को पता चल गया था that here Tom is making excuses only as he do not want to go to school. This made her feel better. She said, Tom, you really did frighten me, कि तुमने सच में मुझे डरा दिया था. Now you stop this nonsense and get out of your bed. कि अब ये सारी nonsense जो भी आप बातें कर रहे हैं, that your toe is going to fall off, your toe is paining and you are groaning in such way, इन सब चीज़ों को बंद कीजिए and get out of your bed and get ready for school. It means यहाँ पर टॉम पकड़ा गया कि ओ आंटी ने पकड़ लिया कि मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ. Now come on the next paragraph. Tom felt foolish at his act now that he was caught. Now Tom is feeling, oh, what I have done. Aunt again caught me and she again came to know that I was only excusing कि मैं झूठ बोल रहा था, that I don't want to go to school. He said, Auntie, my toe hurt so much that I wasn't worried about my tooth at all. So what he is saying, that my toe hurt so much, इतना ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा था, that I forgot about my tooth also. Now he is making another excuse. Okay. Now what aunt is asking to her, what's the matter with your tooth? अब tooth के साथ क्या हुआ है तुम्हारे? Well, one of them's loose and it's ache awfully. Means he is saying that एक मेरा जो teeth है वो बहुत ज़्यादा lose हो रहा है and that is paining. Okay, so students, next part I will cover in next video. Thank you for watching this video.